Hi guys, Linnea here. I am just back to show you a quick spell for prosperity or money. I'm going to dig in my box here of dirts and pull out my bank dirt right here. And that's what we're going to use to dress our candle. This is just a candle spell. That'll be a nice easy one. And you don't need a lot, just a little bit. And you'll just put a small line right down the middle of your, whatever you're using. I usually use a cloth, but it's packed, along with a lot of other things. So I'm using a paper towel tonight. Just set that out of the way. And then the oil that I'm using tonight is called money oil. In my money oil, I have an apatite stone, which is green, and I have a clear quartz crystal and some money, as you can see. I've had that sitting for quite a long time. I use it quite often to dress my money candles. The first thing I'm going to do is bless my candle to work for me to bring money. So I'll do that first. I don't have to bless my dirt and I don't have to bless my oil because they have both already been blessed. However, if you have not blessed your dirt or your money, you're going to want to do that first. So then I would just take a little bit of my oil and place it in my hand and then rub my candle through that. You want a decent coating because you want to be able to pick up a good amount of that dirt. And then you're just going to rub it through the dirt. And it doesn't have to be coated all over. Just a decent amount of coating is fine. And then you're going to want to melt the bottom so that it will stick in your safe candle burner, please. And you just need to melt it enough that it'll stand straight up. And at that point you can wipe your hands. Now a lot of people would possibly throw the dirt away, but because I have to go through much to gather it, I don't do that. I save it. So I put it back in my bag. And then I throw the cloth away. Or I mean the cloth I would never throw away. But I would throw the paper towel away. Cap my oil because I'm done with that. Now you can add essential oils to any of the oils that you make or that you take direction from me to make. You can also add herbs to this that are money drawing herbs such as mint or rosemary, mandrake. Any herbs that are money drawing you can add to your oils, to your money oil. I personally just prefer to have the money, the quartz crystal, and the apatite crystal in there. That's just my choice. Now once you've done that, you can choose to re-enchant your crystal if you like. I mean your candle if you like. I personally don't feel I need to do that. So what I would do now is concentrate on that coming true. So whatever it is I'm needing this money for, I'm going to visualize that happening. So personally I would need this money for my trip to Texas. So I'm going to visualize us being in Texas, not us gathering money to get to Texas, not us on the trip to Texas, but us actually being in Texas, having come true. That's what a visualization should be about when you're doing a spell. It already having come true. So that's what my visualization for this money spell would be. It already have happened. So we will already be in Texas, this visualization for this candle. And I would visualize this throughout the burning of the candle. That would be my vision to hold. And I won't make you sit through the entire candle burning, but you get the gist of this spell. This would be my money spell, and I hope that it does bring you some insight, and I hope it opens your eyes to candle magic and how simple it is to do. Be sure that when you're dressing your candle, you're visualizing your outcome, you're putting energy and intention into it towards your outcome. That the intention that you're adding in there with your energy when you're enchanting your candle is one of the money coming to you for what purpose it is, which I should have been more specific about when I was saying it. But be sure that you're visualizing the outcome. The outcome is what you want to visualize, not the struggle of, but the actual outcome. So good luck to you with this spell. I hope it's helped, and I hope to hear from you all soon. Please leave any comments or questions in the comment section, and give me a like, and I hope you subscribe if you haven't, and I hope to hear from you all soon. Have a good afternoon or evening, and remember that you're all divine, sacred beings of light and love, and I love each and every one of you. I truly do.